Alright, so let's quickly talk about the materials that you're going to need to encapsulate your crawl space. Today, I'm only encapsulating a 240 square foot crawl space, but the same materials apply to any crawl space you're encapsulating. So first things first, you're going to need your foam board. I've gone with R6 polyiso foam board because it's easy to tape to this surface here. You're going to need your crawl space liner. In this case, I like to use StegoCrawl 15 mil crawl space liner. You can see it's this really stiff plastic, 15 mil for a true vapor barrier. And then you're going to need all of your ways to fasten this liner and air seal. So you'll need your spray foam cans to air seal the penetrations in the floor and wall. You're going to need the Loctite PL3 to glue the foam board to the wall before shooting the tap cons through everything to permanently fasten it. And the tap cons you're going to need are going to be something at least a ½ inch, but preferably a whole inch longer or deeper than your insulation. So my insulation's an inch thick polyiso, so I have 2-inch tap cons with the big washers. And you're going to need your corresponding tap con or ram set charges. So on mine's a poured wall, so I'm probably going to use power level 3 or 4 for that. And what else? You'll need the tape to tape your liner to your polyiso. This is just normal HVAC tape. It sticks to everything, okay? And you'll need your liner tape that is made for your specific liner. So I've got the StegoCrawl wrap. I got the StegoCrawl liner tape right there. That way it's a permanent bond. So after all that, of course, you're going to need razor blades to cut your liner. You're going to need razor blades to cut your polyiso, ear protection, eye protection for using the ram set. And I think that gets the whole job done. You got your insulation, your ways to fasten it, your liner, and your ways to fasten everything and air seal everything. So I hope that helps. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here's the crawl space before encapsulation. All right, so I just got in the crawl space and I'm starting on step 1, which is spraying my Ortho Home Defense, because no one wants to work in a crawl space full of spiders. Just hose the rim joist down. Might as well just go ahead and hit him while I'm at it. Perfect. Oh, there's another spider right there. Hose him down. He won't make it very long after that. My only goal right now is to make a really big fat bead all the way across the top to air seal the insulation to the wall. All right, so the installation is done. I've got the top of the foam board sealed and every exterior joist base sealed up. That's what it looks like. I stopped the foam over there on that wall because the garage is behind that wall, so it doesn't need any insulation on it. Yep.